Still have to clean up the base a bit. I don't know if I'll paint it or just straighten it. This isn't really a restoration. I'm just resurrecting a broken $10 bandsaw. And I'm pretty happy with it, frankly. Take it apart. Well, that's a 13. That's a 14. So that means it's imperial. Not imperial either. Good grief. That's a job for tomorrow.
So you had to go buy something else?
Well, I went to try to buy some paint. And, great, this is out of gas. Ends the resurrection of the Porsche made in Taiwan bandsaw, 14-inch bandsaw. Yeah, I could paint it, but that wouldn't make it work any better, and it wouldn't increase its value to me. So I guess if I choose to try to resell it, it might be a problem. Make some money, but I can use this. So, job done.